As we contemplate the condition of the globe, it may appear disordered and haphazard, devoid of any discernible structure. Such a viewpoint, nevertheless, contradicts the inherent optimism ingrained in every individual. This perspective may induce a feeling of despair, portraying us as helpless onlookers in the drama of existence. Yet, is this truly accurate? Upon delving more profoundly, an alternate story unfolds, one indicating a profound interdependence between actions and consequences. Rather than ascribing the issues of the world to mere happenstance, we can identify a structure grounded in the transgression of natural principles. These principles, akin to imperceptible threads intricately woven into the tapestry of existence, regulate the fundamental nature of our being. They steer the cosmos with a resolute influence, directing the fluctuation of occurrences. Understanding and attuning ourselves to these principles is akin to discovering a crucial pathway to lucidity amid perplexity. It extends an offer to reinstate order from disorder, not by forcing the universe to submit to our desires, but by synchronizing with the symphony of creation. Our existing circumstances, far from being random incidents, are consequences molded by the decisions we craft in alignment with these timeless principles. In our fast-paced world, numerous challenges arise from a lack of foresight and a diminishing awareness of ethical principles. Ideally, a society should serve as a guiding light for advancement, a means to enhance the overall human journey. However, as we maneuver through the tides of ambition and rivalry, the core of personal integrity may recede. Our focus shifts towards personal gain, entangled in an unyielding quest for success that frequently eclipses the broader canvas of communal well-being. It appears as though we've overlooked the fact that the authentic legacy of a society is not solely measured by its material accomplishments, but by its ability to foster and elevate each person within its community. Rediscovering the essence of personal integrity is the route to understanding our true identity. Acknowledging our interdependence and standing together as guardians of a higher purpose. These are the distinguishing features of a flourishing civilization, grounded in the foundation of shared prosperity. By intertwining the threads of our aspirations into the tapestry of a cohesive society, we embark on a journey to comprehend not just our individual identity, but also the identity of the world we dwell in. During times of uncertainty, we might find ourselves contemplating our life's purpose. What is our destined role in this intricate world? This query has been contemplated by philosophers, scholars, and seekers throughout history, each adding their perspectives to a vast symphony of human comprehension. Some discover comfort in the concept of an afterlife, a realm where the challenges of this world fade away into nothingness. As we navigate through the realms of understanding and contemplation, an alternative storyline begins to emerge. It proposes that life is not a transitory instant in time, but an everlasting odyssey of development and enlightenment. This perspective urges us to accept accountability for our decisions and deeds as they resonate through the streams of time, imprinting an enduring impression on the fabric of reality. It beckons us to embark on a journey of ethical mastery and individual development, molding our destiny through the transformative process of deliberate decisions. In this expedition, we encounter the threads of purpose intricately woven into the very essence of our existence. Fear, the formidable specter that can afflict even the most courageous hearts, frequently arises from the obscurity of the unknown. Its tendrils weave through our thoughts, giving rise to anxiety and uncertainty. However, what if fear, in its entirety, is simply a misunderstood force, a mirage crafted through misinterpretation? The concept that fear is not inherent in the natural order of the universe prompts a re-evaluation of our perceptions. It compels us to rethink the roots of this powerful emotion. Stripped down to its core, fear appears to originate from a network of misconceptions, a complex interweaving of untruths that shroud the world in shadows. Its origins lie in narratives of malevolent forces and unseen enemies plotting against humanity. Yet, as we venture inward, as we peer into the mirror of self-reflection, we discover the key to break free from the chains that fear has on us. It's an invitation to take responsibility for our own mistakes, to discard the blame that we frequently attribute to external entities. By directing the lens inward, we reveal the pathway to liberation, liberating ourselves from the repetitive cycle of negativity that fear frequently sustains. Envision a governing principle that serves as the foundation for all existence, a power comparable to a majestic tapestry, where distinctions and expressions are mere threads, intricately woven into a unified whole. Whether identified as God, life, or infinite mind, this principle acts as the canvas upon which the masterpiece of reality unfurls. Within this vast panorama, every thread carries intrinsic goodness, adding to the overall harmony. However, upon entering this world, our perception becomes obscured. We don't come with a complete grasp of the interconnectedness that binds all things. Instead, we are entrusted with a profound mission to progressively unfold our consciousness, ascending the staircase of virtue through personal choices. This world, with its intricacies and mysteries, transforms into a sort of school, a realm where the process of unfolding is steered by the quest for purity. It is a journey that calls on us to adopt disciplines aimed at purifying our essence, ranging from dietary practices to exercises sculpting our physical vessels. In this step-by-step process of purification, we draw nearer to the essence of our existence, unraveling the mysteries that veil our perception. Envision a purification journey that extends well beyond the domain of physical cleanliness. It is an expedition that explores the very core of our being, navigating the landscapes of emotion, intellect, and physique. In ancient times, this procedure was epitomized through dietary regulations and exercises aimed at fostering a state of inner harmony. Purification, at its core, is not merely a ritual, but a profound metamorphosis that draws us nearer to the symphony of universal laws. It encourages us to shape a vessel that resonates with the rhythms of creation, a vessel capable of containing the wisdom gleaned from the harmonious dance of existence. As we undertake this journey, we synchronize ourselves with the wisdom of ancient sages who acknowledge the significance of compliance with the universal plan and the will of heaven. Within this purification dance, we discover ourselves crafting a tapestry of moral and ethical conduct, drawing inspiration from the chronicles of history. From the ancient legal codes like Hammurabi's to the timeless principles engraved into the very fabric of reality, we unveil a path that guides us towards societal harmony and the realization of our inherent potential. Laws, whether crafted by the hands of humans or disclosed by the cosmos itself, hold a crucial role in molding our reality. As we gaze through the passageways of time, we come across the Code of Hammurabi, perceived to be divinely bestowed upon the great king. This code, an embodiment of timeless laws governing existence, stands as evidence of the harmony between human laws and the profound rhythms of the universe. In this intricate interplay between temporary and everlasting laws, a fundamental truth comes to light. The eternal lawmaker, marked by boundless wisdom and goodness, stands as the ultimate architect of the cosmos. Embracing this truth, adhering to the laws of nature, leads us on a path to tranquility and joy. Conversely, anchoring ourselves to falsehood and ignorance is akin to sowing the seeds of misery. Despite human folly, there remains a glimmer of hope. The very ignorance that sustains negativity can undergo transformation, transmuting into wisdom and love. The fate of the world, it appears, lies in the hands of those who dare to rectify the mistakes of the past, who dare to harmonize their actions with the timeless principles that steer the cosmos. Across history, a recurring pattern has been the relentless pursuit of power and the aspiration to control others, endeavors that ultimately prove unsuccessful. However, amid this ceaseless pursuit, a resounding truth echoes. The the laws of nature remain steadfast, unyielding to the caprices of mortals. Regardless of the grandiosity of ambition or the scale of conquest, the divine laws governing existence stand as unchanging pillars. Within this fabric of reality, genuine greatness unveils itself, not in the conquest of others, but in the mastery of oneself. The grand design, an elaborate web woven by the hands of destiny, foresees a world where integrity prevails. False values are eroded, and authenticity reigns supreme. It is a vision that implores us to be true to ourselves, to navigate the tumultuous currents of existence with an unswerving connection to the inherent reality that binds us all.